All right, so now we're going to sound out some words that start with the letter Y. Remember, the letter Y makes the y sound. Ready to go? Let's sound out this one. Y, yum. Like that is super yum. Ready? Y, ack. Yak. Yak. What's a yak? Y'all know what a yak is? This is a yak. A yak is like a hairy cow, ox type thing. So that is what a yak is. All right, ready? Y-e-s. Y-es. Yes. Let's sound it out. Y-e-s. Yes. Like, yes, I rock. Ready? This one, guess what? What is this word? Is that one of our sight words? Am. So when we read this, we just need to put the Y sound in front. Y-am. Yam. Do y'all know what a yam is? A yam is like a sweet potato. It's a type of sweet potato. So you could say, yes, yum, I like the yam. Or the yak likes yams. Yum. Awesome job. So now, go and get this worksheet. And we're going to do this worksheet together. So you can pause it and then go get this worksheet and unpause it, and we're going to do this worksheet together. All right, see you in a little bit. We're going to sound out our Y words. So our first picture is yum. The first sound in yum is a Y. What letter goes U. Y-U, What letter goes M. Good job. Yum is spelled Y-U-M. Now what is this a picture of? That's a yak. What's the first sound in yak? What letter goes y? A Y. What sound goes An A. Good job. K. What sound goes K? It's a K. Good job. Now this one is a yam. A Y. What's the first letter? A Y. Am. Am. We know how to spell am. A-M. Am. Our last one, that check mark means a yes. What's the first sound in yes? A Y. What letter goes An E. What letter goes An S. Good job. Good job sounding out words.